Oh, hi. What am I doing here? I'm here for the second leg of the Volkswagen Experiences Beyond Iconic Drive. Our journey begins here at the Surat Diamond Bourse, which is right behind me. It is the largest diamond trading hub and the largest office in the whole world. And for this journey, we have this beautiful Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line. So where to next? Hello and welcome to Overdrive. We are here on the second day, on the second leg of the Volkswagen Experiences Beyond Iconic Drive. And we are here with the Tiguan R-Line and having a total blast. So this journey began at the Gateway of India and is going to end through multiple legs at the India Gate. So from the financial capital to the national capital of the country. And this leg, this story is a little bit different. It's about design, it's about boldness, and it's about something that's beyond iconic. We as a country have come a long way, and the fact that size does matter is something we love to boast about. The reason why we started our journey at the largest diamond trading hub of the world. Next stop, hang on, have some patience, stay tuned. The Tiguan R-Line is a testament to the SUV segment. The timeless design that follows the R-Line badge is a treat to the enthusiast's eye. The stout and tall stance with the balanced body lines gives the R-Line an elevated appeal which will interest the performance and luxury enthusiast equally. The 19-inch diamond-turned surface wheels add to the height and aura of this big boy who is about to enter the segment and make a lot of noise. Here we are at our first stop, the Statue of Unity. An iconic location, a statue of an icon. The statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who doesn't need any introductions, is 597 feet tall and is made entirely of metal. It was inaugurated in the year 2018. This complex, which the Statue of Unity stands in, is 20,000 square meters big and has ample tourist attractions, which takes you almost 3 days to cover. So now, the most interesting fact about this is the metal that was used to make the statue was donated by the farmers who were a part of the Statue of Unity movement from all across the country, who donated their tools and farming equipments to help build such an iconic statue. This is exactly what the Tiguan R-Line does. Small things make big impact. The small details and the intricacies that are best molded into the Tiguan makes it the grand icon that it is. So here we are saying hi from the Statue of Unity, one icon with another icon. The sporty bumpers are the first notifiers that this is an R-Line. It's elevated, it's robust, and screams dominance. The illuminated molding between headlamps and the rear combination lamps give it the sporty yet suave attitude, and the illuminated VW logo seals the deal there, making it the icon of design that it is. And I'm too engrossed in driving this mean machine with driving dynamics unique to only a Volkswagen. So I'll not talk too much about it, and I'll see you at the next and final destination. The Lakshmi Vilas Palace is an epitome of maverick attitude. This palace, built by the Gaikwad family way back in the year 1890, had all modern facilities, even an elevator, and was the world's largest private dwelling or home to one person, and is more than 3 times the size of the Buckingham Palace. The Maharani of Baroda, now Vadodara, still resides here at this palace with her family. Not just expensive materials or flashy features, it's the attention to detail and the intricate approach that brings about excellence. Much like the Tiguan R-Line over here, be it the honeycomb design on the front grille or the chrome elements that are intricately placed all over, I'd say that much like the palace right behind me, this one is quite beyond iconic design. All good things come to an end, don't they? It pains me to say this, but this leg of the Volkswagen experiences beyond iconic drive for me has come to an end. And I now hand over this key to my next fellow. But through this drive, I just got to know one thing. With this maverick of an attitude, there's no stopping the Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line.